Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today I felt like doing a grungy, witchy, glam, Halloween inspired makeup look. I really don't know what that means, if I'm honest. I have the idea to do a purple green look, but just not the typical kind of color story. So I'm gonna give it a whirl and put a different spin on it. I got my little witch hat earrings. They are cute as frick, and I am ready to go. So without further ado, let's jump into things. Let's get started. Let's go. Okay, the eyes are primed. I'm going to probably use several palettes today just because not one palette has exactly what I'm going for today. So I'm going to start with the Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette, and I am going to take Bonnie on a fluffy brush and kind of just sweep that in the crease. I don't know why I pointed like that. Nope, that's stupid. And I'm just going to fluff that in the crease for my transition shade. Oh my god, I cannot talk today. This is not a great sign of how the day is going to go. I have to film another video today, so let's hope I know how to speak, since that one requires way more talking than this one. My day is going to be kind of annoying today. I'll let you guys in on a little behind the scenes, if you will. It's really not that like important, but I am filming Bookaween videos as well as reading books for Bookaween, as well as filming a main video like for this week. So today I'm filming this one right now as I woke up. It is 9:19 in the morning. So I'm filming this video. I'm going to take a small break, take off this makeup, redo my makeup so it matches the cover of the book that I'm going to be filming a video on, then film my book review for Bookaween, this video that I'm filming, and then I'm going to have to edit this video and put it up for you guys. Oh, that sounds fun. It's going to be hectic. Anytime I have to film more than one video in a day, it's always hectic. Very hectic. I don't know why, but it is. So next I'm going to take Marnie right here, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower in the crease just to give some definition. You know how I do it. I do the same kind of look all the time on here. This is really nothing new for me. I do the same shape pretty much all the time just because that's just what looks good on me, and that's how I like to do my eyeshadow, and I'm just used to doing certain shapes on myself, and I usually want the makeup to look good. So I do it to what looks the best on me, if that makes sense. I try to do different stuff, but sometimes I just fall into the same routine, you know, in a makeup routine. I know some of you are probably so tired of like cut creases and cut creases. I can't help it. I love a good cut crease. It's my go-to shape. It's my favorite kind of look, and it's honestly one of the easiest for me to do on myself. So I'm sorry. I hope you guys don't hate my looks. If you guys hated my looks, I feel like you guys wouldn't watch my videos. And since the majority of you guys do watch my makeup content as well as my book content, I have to assume that you like it. Or you're lying to me. Which, you know, if you're lying to spare my feelings, thank you. because I am fragile. I'm a little Pisces baby, okay? And I cry about everything. That's not an exaggeration. I'm taking more of Bonnie, the first shade, and just trying to blend Marnie into Bonnie a little bit better. No, literally, I cry a lot. Like a lot. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm currently rereading the Harry Potter series with my boyfriend. This is his first time reading the series, and I'm actually reading the books to him. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I have cried every single book that we've read. Like, okay, Erin, get a hold of yourself, ma'am. Next, I'm going to take the Arcana palette from Shroud Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade Darkling right here. Oop, my hand slipped right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner for some definition. Definition. Sorry. This is what happens when I have little to no sleep and I have to film. You guys get like crazy, Erin. Ooh, yes, this is exactly what I wanted. This might turn out exactly how I hoped, which is suspicious. Or as Bailey would say, suspish. Do any of you watch Bailey Sarian? I'm wearing her Murder Mystery Makeup Monday shirt. Ow, I had to stand up to show you guys that. And she's one of my favorite YouTubers. Oh my god, I love her so much. I watch a lot of true crime YouTubers though. I love true crime, but god, it's so depressing. I have to watch it in spurts of like time because my anxiety skyrockets when I watch true crime. I start getting super paranoid that I'm going to be kidnapped, or I'm going to go missing, or I'm going to die, which sends my anxiety into overload, and I start becoming very paranoid like during the day about what bad things could happen to me or my loved ones, and it's just like not really healthy at all. So what I do is I have to just watch it during the day. I found out I cannot watch true crime during the night at all because I become a wreck if I watch it at night. I become so paranoid, and my boyfriend has to like reassure me that we're not gonna die. So yeah, I have to watch it during the day, and I can only watch it for like a certain amount of time or I just start freaking out. But yeah, Bailey is one of my favorites. I also feel like, I know a lot of people might find her content different because she does makeup while talking about the true crime videos, which may come off a little blasé, I guess, or a little, I don't know, I guess some people just might not like it. I'm taking Marnie from the Lunar Beauty palette and just blending this. I just feel like some people might not like the makeup aspect because it might just seem a little less serious, but honestly, that's what I like about her content because it allows me to not become as anxious because I'm not super serious and super, you know, worried all the time. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, I do like the really serious videos as well, and I do like other YouTubers who talk about true crime, but she's one of my favorites just because she helps with my anxiety not to get like super overloaded and me start freaking out about dying and you know, things like that. So I bet you guys know what's coming next. We're gonna cut the crease, my favorite thing. So I will be right back while I cut this crease. Okay, crease cut. Next, I'm going to take the shade Nocturnal from the Arcana palette, It's like a taupey, purpley, smoky kind of color. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I hope this looks good. Ooh, I don't know if I love this shimmer. I had an idea for it and it's just like not really doing what I wanted it to do. I thought it wasn't going to be as dark. I guess I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter. That was probably my fault. I'm going to take a little bit of Prue from the Lunar Beauty palette, and I'm going to put that on top of the Nocturnal shade. Just to give it, yeah, like a little bit more of a pop. Just a little bit more shimmer. I feel like you couldn't tell that I put down a shimmer. It looked like a matte or something. I don't know, I just didn't like how that was looking. This is better. This is better. Yes, I like it. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease on the other side really quick, and I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. See, look at the difference. This is just with the Darkling shade on, and this is with the Prue on top of Darkling. It looks so much different. Yeah, I like it a lot better. Okay, that looks interesting. Now I'm going to take more of Darkling, that dark green matte shade, and just kind of blend the outer corner a little bit more. Mesh the green and the purple together. Make it a little bit more seamless. Okay, that's what the lid is looking like, and I think the lower lash line we're going to focus more on the purple tones on the bottom. So I'm going to go finish up my base makeup off camera, and then I will come back and we will do the lower lash line together. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, let's move on to the lower lash line. Sorry, I don't know what that was. Sorry. I'm going to take the shade Sabrina from the Moonspell palette, this dark purple. I'm just going to kind of go in with it with this angled little flurfy brush. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Ooh, that's a good purple. That's exactly what I was looking for. I think I might use only this shade on the lower lash line. I'm just kind of building it up and lightly blending it out. Ooh, just like this. I really like this. It's very heavy and one color, and I kind of really like that. I really like that. Okay. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take, for the inner corner, I'm going to mix together the shade Jellyfish and the shade Anemone from the Oceanic palette from Ace Beauté. I want a grungy green inner corner. Oh yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Whoa, this look actually came out way better than I was expecting it to. Yes! How did this happen? Okay, yes, I love this. Okay, now I'm going to put on some mascara and a lip, and I will be right back, and we will be done. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. Let me give you guys an up-close look. Oh my god, I really like how this turned out. It looks so good. This is way better than I anticipated, and I'm glad I did a grungy, witchy Halloween glam look. Is that what I'm calling it? I mean, I don't really know what else to call it. This is pretty much what it is, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a lot of fun to do. I had so much fun doing this makeup. I'm sad because I have to take it off to film another video, but I'll take some good pictures hopefully, and then I can cry about it later. I hope you guys enjoyed another Halloween tutorial from me. I hope you guys like this look. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have any other videos you would like me to do. I only have Wednesday left because Sunday is Bookaween, but my announcement video will be up on Friday. So one more look and then it is Bookaween time, everybody. So get ready. Hope you guys are excited, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We can become friends, talk about makeup, horror, books, movies, all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great, great day. I was going to say weekend. It's Monday. It's not the weekend. And I will see you guys on Wednesday with another video. Bye!